Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add social media icons for your site in Mobirise. So let's go. First, what you want to do, you just add a blog to page and click here on social. And you're gonna see it here, the social share this page, and you can choose which one you actually like. Let's say choose this one here. And I will just take it, I will just paste it, I don't know, here. So share this page. Or better, follow us. You can really choose what you like. Now, when I'm going to click here on settings, you can like unclick, I don't know, web contact, Pinterest, and like leave these. And settings, just leave them like this. And then you have like follow us, which are like two different things. The share this page and follow us. You can just click settings here. Let's go with like 5 icons. And you can change the icon to, I don't know, LinkedIn. Here. Okay. Perfect. And voila, you got it, right? So that's pretty cool. You can go like with the icons to white. You can go to background image or background color. Change it to black. Or just really play around it as much as you want. So this is pretty much it. And this is how you can add social media icons in Mobirise. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Then like how to edit it, just click on it and just link the icon too. And that's all, like it's really simple. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.